Fun. Back in the 60s and still now, owning and driving a Samba bus is all about fun and adventure. Whether it's embarking on road trips, camping in scenic locations, or attending vintage car rallies, the Samba evokes a sense of joy and nostalgia. Its sociable interior layout encourages conversation and camaraderie among passengers, fostering memorable moments and lifelong friendships. And speaking of fun, check out this special key to unlock the gas cap and the engine compartment. History. The Samba bus has a rich history that dates back to its production in the mid-1950s. Originally introduced in 1951 as a variant of the iconic Volkswagen Type 2, the Samba bus quickly gained popularity for its distinctive design and versatile nature. The Deluxe Samba bus we are featuring has a fascinating history. It was originally delivered new in Hamburg, Germany, adding to its authentic European lineage. As early as the mid-1960s, this particular Samba made its way to the United States, where it found a new home. This transcontinental journey showcases the global appeal and enduring popularity of the Samba bus, transcending borders and becoming a cherished vehicle in different parts of the world. With its roots in Germany and its presence in the United States, this Deluxe Samba embodies the international legacy and widespread admiration for this iconic Volkswagen model. What's with all the windows? The VW Samba bus is renowned for its abundant windows, boasting a remarkable total of 23. Every passenger had a view. The 23-window configuration is highly sought after due to its limited production numbers, making it a prized feature for vintage car enthusiasts. The unique combination of skylight windows, safari windows, and the signature split windshield adds to the Samba's charm and elevates its collectability, making them even more coveted among those who appreciate the beauty and uniqueness of this iconic Volkswagen model. Restoration journey. The restoration of this remarkable Samba Microbus is a testament to the dedication and attention to detail put into bringing it back to its former glory. It underwent a comprehensive refurbishment that revitalized both its mechanical components and its aesthetics. The vehicle underwent disassembly, allowing for meticulous metalwork and body repairs. The restoration extended to entire drivetrain and interior as well. Notable features of this restored Samba Microbus include a tan fabric sunroof, chrome hubcaps adorning white finished steel wheels that harken back to its vintage charm. From basket case to showpiece, this meticulous restoration of this 1959 23-window Type 2 Samba Volkswagen bus with unique features and impeccable craftsmanship is a testament to the enduring legacy of Volkswagen's iconic Type 2 buses.